We see our kids leave the house every day. For us to be like, hey, son, see you later, and that's the last time you see him alive.
A neighborhood watch officer shot and killed Florida teen Trayvon Martin.
Trayvon's story woke America up, not only Black America, but America in general.
It can be Dwayne Wade in the hoodie, it can be LeBron James, it can be Udonis Haslem, it can be any of us.
We can't help Trayvon now, but how can we help his family out? All of us felt a certain way, but what do y'all want to do about it?
Blue Moon is a well-crafted Belgian-style wheat beer brewed with Valencia orange peel for a refreshing taste that shines brighter. Blue Moon.
Curry, quick release on the three. Got it!
Sit down and stay home.
Blue Moon is brewed with Valencia orange peel for a taste that shines brighter.
At ESPN, we salute America's heroes for their incredible sacrifice and service to our country. Tune in this week for special programming and tributes honoring our active military and veteran heroes. Thursday through Saturday on ESPN. Dolphins, Panthers, Monday, 8:15 Eastern on ESPN.
Hi.
NHL Center Ice makes being away feel like home.
Amazing.
With up to 40 out-of-market games a week. Every goal. Save. And hit.
Oh, my word.
Gives you the home ice advantage. Paired with NHL Network, you won't get frozen out. Let the game live where you do. Order NHL Center Ice now.
Call 855-568-5497 to order NHL Center Ice for 4 payments of $38.49.
Everybody's different. But if there's one thing your whole family can agree on, it's saving money on auto insurance from AAA. Like, the more vehicles you insure on a single policy, the more you save. AAA insurance agents even help you find the best coverage at the right price. Join the savings generation. Get a quote from AAA today.
While we were in post-production on the film, RIC Flair had a major health crisis where his body actually shut down from years and years of hard living.
RIC Flair was going through a scary situation. He was admitted into the hospital this weekend. Flair had been placed into a medically induced coma while he awaited surgery.
The doctors gave him a very slim chance of actually pulling through. Rick, being he's a consummate fighter, and he did pull through. And it's really just a testament to this guy's will to live. When Rick went through his health crisis, his fiancée, Wendy Barlow, was there every step of the way. He actually was Rick's valet, Fifi the maid, in the early 1990s. And then they kind of lost touch and reconnected in the last couple of years. She's really a stabilizing force in Rick's life. For Ric Flair, wrestling is life, and life is wrestling. They're really one and the same.